What is genetic drift in human evolution? Imagine flipping a coin 100 times and getting more heads than tails just by chance. Now, think about how similar randomness can shape human genes over generations. That's what genetic drift is all about. It's a process where gene variants, called alleles, change in frequency in a population simply due to chance, not because they help or harm survival. This randomness can make some alleles more common or even make others disappear entirely, without any natural selection involved. In human evolution and biological anthropology, genetic drift has a big impact on how diverse human genes are. It's especially powerful in small groups. For example, if a tiny group of people migrates to a new place and gets cut off from the larger population, their gene pool can change a lot just by chance. This can lead to differences in genetic makeup between groups that are not because of adaptation but because of random events. Two key examples are the bottleneck effect and the founder effect. The bottleneck effect happens when a population shrinks suddenly due to disasters like famine or disease. The survivors' genes are a small, random sample of the original population. This can reduce genetic diversity and cause some traits to become more common just by luck. The founder effect occurs when a small number of people start a new community. Their genes may not representing the full diversity of the original population, leading to different allele frequencies in the new group. Genetic drift is different from natural selection because it doesn't favor traits that help survival. Instead, it's a random process that can cause big changes in genetic makeup over time, especially in isolated or small populations. It helps explain why some traits are common in certain groups without offering any survival advantage. From an anthropological point of view, understanding genetic drift helps us see how human populations have changed over time. It explains why some genetic traits are more common in certain regions, even if they don't improve survival. It also shows how migration, population crashes, and small founding groups have shaped human genetic diversity. In short, genetic drift is a natural process that causes random shifts in gene frequencies. It plays a key role in human evolution, especially in small or isolated populations, by changing genetic variation without natural selection.